Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another live forex trading signal video for you guys based on my secret market scanner. Now in this video I'm going to share with you another powerful signal that was generated by my secret market scanner. As you can see, we are in the EURUSD chart, and according to my secret market scanner it was a sell. Now if you go to the shorter time frame, you will see how it reacted from our level and then it went straight down almost 82 pips. So this is the power of my secret market scanner. It gives you lots of trading opportunities with high accuracy rate. So if you're interested, please grab your secret market scanner copy fast, because I'm going to raise the price soon. So this is your chance to grab the deep discounted offer. Please email support@FxChildsplaySignals.com to grab your copy. That's it for this video. Please smash the like button of the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, as it motivates me to make more videos for you guys. So please support my YouTube channel, and don't forget to join my free Telegram channel to know more about my services. So yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.